Back in the late 1800s, coal miners in the UK used to take a canary with them down the coal mines. And so came about the adage, the canary in the coal mine. What really happens was this. Because the canary was more sensitive to carbon monoxide poisoning, it was safer for the coal miners to take a caged bird with them and to watch the health of the bird. If the bird suddenly became sick, they had an early warning system saying, get out of there, there's something wrong with your environment. And of course, in lots of ways, the way we treat our diverse communities today is our canary in the coal mine. For the modern business owner, if we don't understand that, if we cannot take the temperature on how our minorities are feeling, we have no way of knowing what's really happening in our environment. And of course, like all things, a toxic environment is good for no one.